Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Hello friends, what do you see on Pagets disease microscopically? Pagets disease is also called as osteitis deformans. What do you see microscopically? Microscopically, in the Pagets disease, you will see mosaic pattern of lamellar bone. You will see mosaic pattern of lamellar bone, which is like a jigsaw puzzle. And there are multinucleated osteoclasts. This jigsaw puzzle is mainly produced by prominent cement lines that anneal haphazardly oriented unit of lamellar bone. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.